Tired of Zaps that stop dead when they encounter a hiccup? Today, we're diving into a powerful Zapier technique, making your Zaps repeat a step until a condition is met. This is especially useful when dealing with data that might not be immediately available or needs further validation. First, we need to use paths, which acts like a fork in the road, allowing your Zap to take different actions based on specific criteria. Think of it as setting up an if-and statement. Within the path, define the condition that needs to be true before your Zap proceeds. For example, let's say we want to wait until an order status contains shipped. Now, here's the magic. If the condition is false, meaning the order hasn't shipped yet, we'll use a delay step. Set this delay to a reasonable interval, like 5 minutes. After the delay, use the go-to step action and configure it to go back to the step where you initially checked the condition. In our case, the order status check. This creates a loop. Only when the order status does contain shipped will the Zap proceed down the true path, where you can trigger actions like sending a shipping confirmation email. And that's it. By using paths, delays, and the go-to step action, you've created a Zap that intelligently retries a step until your defined condition is met, making your automations more robust and reliable.